standing here at the toe of the Athabasca Glacier, and we've got to speak quite loudly because the river off the glacier is flowing by us here. But Kent, there's a lot of material on top of the ice behind us here, and there's a story here I think you're anxious to tell.
Oh yeah, I've been waiting all day for this one. Let's back up to see where this material actually comes from. It started out as rubble on the mountains, as colluvial material which was brought down by gravity onto the surface of the glacier. The glacier is acting as a conveyor belt. It's moving forward and it's dropping off the end. This is Ablation Till that fell onto the glacier. So once that colluvial material fell on the ice, it's now glacial till. Well, students always ask, well, how does it get in the ice? Well, if you think about it, if the ablation till falls onto the glacier during the summer and you get a snowfall in the winter, it buries it. If that snowfall does not melt, that till is trapped as a layer within the ice. This material here has been melted out or has fallen on fairly recently. It's being brought along and we're right at the end of the glacier. Now the glacier is retreating and receding on us, but the ice is still moving forward in the glacier, and this material is just going to slide off the end. So this material falls onto the ground, and usually underneath this is basal till that would have developed underneath the ice being ground up. The river that we're hearing is picking up both of these tills and reworking them and carrying them away and turning it into a glacial fluvial deposit. So we can see that we have this process from start to end. Glacial or colluvial material under the influence of gravity falls on the ice. Ablation till is carried by the ice. Basal till being ground up under the ice. Those two form a layer or two layers, picked up by meltwaters, turned into a glacial fluvial deposit. So here we can see the whole history of how all these different landforms and parent materials develop.
Well, that's an excellent story, and that really helps simplify what we see on the landscape in other parts of the country here.